If you've been following me from series 1 to now, I'm sure by now you're a pro. And I'll give you, take code Zobo, because I know you're a pro by now. Mascara is very easy for you to apply, I'm sure of it. If it's not, let me teach you. We're doing more on eye work. So we're going to be applying our eyeshadow, and we're also going to be applying our eyeliner, mascara. So this video is packed with a lot of goodies, okay? And yeah, let's get into the video. So I have my eyeshadow palette here. This is what it looks like. Really, really pretty. It has varieties of colors that are actually very okay and convenient for a beginner. My liquid eyeliner, pro lengthening mascara is what it looks like. This kajal for my under eye. It's also from Classic Makeup. We're going to start with our eyeshadow. I'm on a warm skin tone. There's because I cannot, it's because I can use. These are 3 brushes I'm going to be using to actually apply my eyeshadow. This beautiful color here that is light. Can you guys see it? That's the Sweet Hug on my eyes. And I'm going to just put it here. This is where I like to start with. Then from there, I just take it in.
Getting closer with God and trusting in His plans. Don't fall for the hype on the gram, they follow trends.
Just make it soft the other side.
Sister, they look cute, that ain't romance. You gotta be better than if the man upstairs know your name, I advise you know your worth. Get you a man, treat you like a.
I'm gonna use the other brush to apply my outer crease color, which is Cute Crush. Cute Crush. We're gonna apply the Cute Crush. So we're gonna apply it here. This is where I apply it. So most time when I have like a black color and a brown color, I usually mix it together to make it like darker. But I don't have that here. So I'm gonna just use this and the purple so that it's just making my eye dark. Like I don't want it to be the same color with the main color.
Always gonna put God first. Don't return to your past, I know it hurt. Last time they put you on a shirt.
But we're not applying the first color. We're going to apply the inner color. So this is the color I'm going to apply. Orange color. I'm going to just apply that here. Then if you look at it, it makes your eye pop.
Glory to God that now you're living. Don't go back, it might be worse. Beautiful to be treated like that. Don't rush it, put it on pause.
If you've been following me from series 1 to now, I'm sure by now you're a pro. And I'll give you, take code Zobo, because I know you're a pro by now. So that's it for my eyeshadow. So next I'm gonna just take the color that I used to apply this one to blend everything inside so that it looks more natural. So the blush, blend everything inside. And that is it for a simple eyeshadow look. It's not so hard. You know that eyeshadow was one of the hardest things for me to learn while I was learning makeup, because I don't know, I was overthinking the whole thing. I thought it had to be so deep, but I realized that along the line that it doesn't have to be anything deep. It's simple. It's just know the basic and you're good to go. And know what color works for you, what color stands out on your skin. When you know what color stands out on your skin, you are good to go. So the next thing we're gonna learn is how to apply our eyeliner. So because I'm using an eyeliner pen, when it comes to applying your eyeliner, there are different types of eyes, so you have to also know your eyes when it comes to applying your eyeliner. So I tend to not put my eyeliner all the way down. Using a heavy makeup, I actually put everything down. But then that because I'm actually applying lashes. I'm not going to be applying lashes in this video, keep in mind, but I have a video where I teach you guys how to actually apply your false lashes if you want to apply your false lashes. I'm going to leave target to this video. If you guys want more makeup series video content, please leave a comment, let me know, and I will do more makeup series content for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how to apply my own eyeliner here. I'm going to show you guys another way of applying your eyeliner here. Okay, this is actually what an eyeliner pen looks like. It dries up really quickly, not like you guys. So you want to take it, you want to draw a faint line, okay, and then you want to take it down to this end. That's how I actually draw my line now.
Gotta satisfy your thirst. You don't bring it all. You know that ain't gonna work.
Normal liner that everybody does. So it's very easy too. Just a faint line. Take your stroke light, make it light. Then you draw. Then I come in here. And I also do this. It's not that hard.
Y'all die for you, sweetheart. It's better that you deserve. It's not even worth that hurt.
So this is how to actually do both liners. So this is one I normally do for myself, or you can do this one for yourself. I'm gonna use my cajal to draw under my waterline, and with that I will need this thing where I drag my eye. Then you see this thing that looks like there's light skin under here. That's why you're drawing this thing. Not under. Don't try it. Don't do it under here. I don't know how you did that. It's under your waterline. This is your waterline here.
It's not even worth that hurt. 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 P31, that's what.
And our makeup is coming to life. Mascara. Mascara is not hard to apply. I feel like even a small girl can apply mascara, right? I feel like even you. What makeup people usually know how to do a lot is eyeliner, mascara. That's something I've realized a lot of people that don't know how to do makeup can do. Eyeliner and mascara and lip combo. That is all they know how to do. And mascara is very easy for you to apply, I'm sure of it. If it's not, let me teach you. So you don't take your wand, dust out a little, then you just take a light stroke. So take the end and just, my own mascara is just calm. I can see my eyelashes is okay. So I'm gonna take it out down. I'm gonna do the same thing here. So I'm gonna take it inside to into a light stroke. So that's actually how you can actually do your eye works, from your eyeshadow down to your eyeliner, down to your waterline, and then your mascara. And if you don't know how to apply your false lashes, I have a video. I'm going to link it to this video so that you can watch how to actually apply your false lashes. And yeah, that's all for your eye work. Let's subscribe. Okay, subscribe and like this video. Please bump to all of you guys that have been following my makeup class and they are really doing well with makeup. I love each and every one of you. One and two, I see you guys doing greater things in the future. I see it for you guys. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, in the next series. So yeah, bye.